In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear hatch lift supports on your Nissan Quest located beside your rear hatch. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to support the rear hatch. Either have a friend hold the hatch up for you, or you can use a broom handle or something like that to hold it up. Once you remove one lift support, it will come down and bonk you in the head. So you want to be safe when doing this job. With the hatch supported, on the bottom side here, there's a metal clip, and I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver. There's a little notch right here, and you're going to get in there and just pry out this clip. With that clip released, I want to go ahead and gently pull outward towards you, releasing that. Now this is a Ballin socket design. This is a ball stud, and there's a hole on the other side. We're going to repeat this process for the other side. On the top side here, you have the same notch. Pry that out and pull out towards you. Now you can see this here is all swollen and rusted. This definitely needs to be replaced, as well as the other side. Now the new TRQ part has the metal retaining clips already pressed into place on both sides. Simple installation. Number one, make sure that the ball is clean of any debris. If you want, you can put a little dab of grease on there, but it's not necessary. Simply line this up and firmly push on. You're going to hear it and feel it snap into place. A good positive engagement. On the bottom side here, you can see this not completely lined up. You might have to have your friend lift up that hatch a little bit, line that up, and do the same here. Push it in. There it is. The clip has locked on. You can go ahead and have your friend release the hatch. You want to repeat this process for the passenger side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.